Price on carbon emissions， 我们来看一下这一道题。首先大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间把这一段话呢先读一遍。OK， 我们来看一下第一部分。This is what needs， 不要读成 this is what needs 就不好听了。This is what 这个 t 呢非常的迅速 ，OK， 你要发出来的话呢一定要声音非常的小，而且非常迅速。This is what needs to be， This is what needs to happen on climate change， 我没有读成 climate change，OK， climate change 这个 t 做出口型 climate change 这个呢一定要发清楚，这里有个停顿有个 pause， 所以这个 climate change 一定要发清楚，不要读成 climate change 是错的 climate change。 The world 这个单词不好发吧， The world needs to put a 这个 t 呢不读成 put a OK, needs to put a price on carbon emissions and let the market respond. And let the market 我没有读成 and let the market and let 口型做到位，直接跟这个 the let the market 这个 t 非常弱 and let the market respond and let the market respond 听到了吧？我们连起来读一下。 This is what needs to happen on climate change.The world needs to put on a price on carbon emissions and let the market respond. Respond 这个 d 呢要发清楚。好，我们看第二部分。If politician 很多人会读成 politicians，OK？ Politicians, politics, political, politically. If politicians pretend this can be done without pain， 我没有读成 without pain。Without pain 这个 t 非常的弱 without pain it will 我没有读成 it will OK it will probably result in another 5 to 10 years of 连在一起 5 to 10 years of inaction 重音在 a inaction 这里呢我 highlight 的这里为什么呢很多人读成 probably it will probably 不是 probably OK probably result in不要读成 result in OK result in another 5 to 10 years of inaction 我们来一起读一下 If politicians pretend this can be done without pain it will probably result in another 5 to 10 years of inaction 好我们连起来读一下还是比较简单的对吧 This is what needs to happen on climate change The world needs to put on a price on carbon emissions and let the market respond.If politicians pretend this can be done without pain, it will probably result in another 5 to 10 years of inaction. All right, thank you guys.